With a mere investment of just 10,000 rupees per month, you can earn 1 crore rupees. Is that even possible? I will tell you how. This is Dr. Ashok. Welcome to Exotic Investment YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe now. I'll show you practically how it's possible to get 1 crore by just investing 10,000 rupees per month. The books I have authored are The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners and The Financial Independence for Women and Lakhs to a Crorepati, which are available on Amazon. So, wondering how it's possible? It's proven that if you invest in stock market, you get an average of 12% returns. If you have invested 10 years and further in the stock market, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. That's not said by anyone else. This is said by Albert Einstein, and those who understand it earns it. And let's now get into the basics of how you can get 1 crore by just investing 10,000 rupees per month. If you're new to exotic investment, subscribe right now. Let us see how it is done. So if you invest 1,000 rupees and you invest 1,000 rupees per month for 20 years and you keep all the money which you have invested for 20 years and you are investing in FDs, you get a return of around 7%. Let us calculate 7% and let us see how much you'll invest and how much you'll get back. So if you invest 1,000 rupees for 20 years, you will be investing 2,41,000 and you'll be getting 5,28,000 rupees at a meager interest of 7% per annum. So for this, you can invest in any of the assets like FDs, monthly income schemes, or term deposits, which are 5 years and later. All these instruments give you approximately 6 to 7% and you will get a meager 5.28 lakh at the end of 20 years. Let's make this 1,000 rupees at a return of 12% for 20 years. So the same amount, there is no change, but you are investing in stock market. There is a saying by Warren Buffett saying that if you want to get rich, go shut your door and invest in index funds. That's what you will be investing in. If you are looking for the basics of stock market for beginners, my book, The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners, will help you to get the great foundation which is required to go from 1-story building a 10-story building in stock markets. The link is in the description. You can invest in index funds and get a 12% return per month, and that's not said by me. The richest person in the world who has invested in stock market and has become a billionaire and the richest person of the world, he says invest in index fund so that you can get 12% per annum returns, and that will be for an investment of 10 years and later. All right, if you invest 1,000 rupees for 20 years with a 2,41,000 investment, you will get 10 lakh rupees. That's just changing 7% to 12% by investing in stock market. So now let's see what happens if we invest 5,000 rupees per month, and that's with a return of 12%. 11,45,000 is what you will be investing for 20 years, and the returns will be 49,86,000. You are quadrupling your amount. That is 11,45,000 invested will be 49 lakh. That's what your investment will be. Then let's now look at 10,000 rupees. So you'll be investing 10,000 rupees at a return of, now let's make it 20 and we'll keep it for 12 years. An investment of 10,000 rupees for 20 years, you will be investing 24 lakh 10,000, and look at the figure over here. It's 1 crore of return at the end of 20 years. By just investing 10,000 rupees, you can earn 1 crore rupees. If you have any questions, click the link in the description and join our WhatsApp group, and you'll get a lot of information in our WhatsApp group about the stock markets, as well as all the free information which I conduct the webinars for. That's enormous, you can say. Probably that's highly impossible as well as we see it, but everything is in the numbers. If you calculate your numbers well, you are on the right track to the retirement at the early age of 50 or 55 without even attaining the age of 60. That's the greatness of stock market, and you can earn very well after you have invested, and you can lead a significant life if you invest and get retired with stock markets. I have to give you two videos that will change your life. So the first video which changed my life, this is my bio. So watch this video, and the second video, I will not tell you which video, watch this video. That being said, I'll see you in these two videos. Don't forget to subscribe.